Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the TorrasLife iPad Pro 11-inch iPad case. We'll get the unboxing going here. This is red. There are different colors. This is for the iPad Pro 11. Show you simple installation instructions. All you have to do is slip in the iPad Pro here on the left side and then snap it into place, and little plastic feet hold it into place. So here's the case. It's red. We like the red and the texture. And these two slots here are for when you want to put the iPad into a certain angles. So you have two angles that you can do right there. And then this is where the iPad would go right here. So it's a simple case, but they also offer you the camera slot here on the corner. So you can still take pictures, but why would you take photos with an iPad? Maybe you want to use your phone for that. I don't know, just a thought. But we like the case, and you can take photos if you need to. Here's the back of the case, same type of design. And again, to put it at an angle to watch or to do video conferencing, you just slip it into these two slots right here. This is for the iPad Pro 11-inch. This is the red case, and this is from TorrasLife. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thank you.